the first thing I want to say actually is I call this it's a frequency masterclass. And what that means is the minute I start talking, there's an energy behind what I'm saying. And what that means is that it can you can get quite altered, you know, in that state when you wake up in the morning, you're like half awake, sort of half asleep, and you're kind of remembering your dreams and you're not, and you're kind of drifting in and out. That's very much that sort of like alpha going down into a delta wave state, Braden wave state. And this is what happens when I'm working with people, when I'm facilitating my meditations, and also when I'm just doing these masterclasses, is that you can get altered. And my advice to you is just to allow and surrender to the process, because what's happening is the more altered you can go, the more your ego is not in control, which means the more you can surrender into the process of allowing the keys, allowing the codes, allowing the frequency to run into the whole of your being. So that would be my advice to you throughout this time that we have together. I also normally suggest, you know, maybe light some candles if you can, put some incense on, some smudge, you know, use some sage, but just relax and just sink in to the energy. And if you find you've got stuff going on, you're like loads of thoughts coming up, just breathe through them and just allow them to kind of flow past, float by, as it were. And that way you will actually receive energy throughout the whole of the masterclass.